Good morning students. So we have started this exercise 13b. In this we have discussed till question number 3. So in today's video we will discuss the questions after question number 4. After question number 3. So let's discuss the question number 4. So in this question, what is given? Let's write the given things first. It is given that angle Q is 90 degree. Angle Q is given as 90 degree. Then it is given that M and N are the midpoints. So M is midpoint of QR. That means QM equal to MR, and also we can write QM equal to MR equal to QR upon 2. Okay, this information we will use. Then what else is given? N is midpoint of PQ. It is also given. That means PN equal to NQ equal to PQ by 2. So these two informations we will be using in the question. So first we will start. First we have to prove this part. So we will start. How we will start? So again, see, many right angle triangles are there. PM will be in triangle PQM. RN will be in triangle QRN, and MN will be in triangle QMN. So we will start like this. First we will collect the values of PM square and RM square. So in triangle PMQ, PM square is equals to PQ square plus QM square. So this is our first value. Then what we need? RN. So in triangle RNQ, RN square is equals to QN square plus QR square. This is our second value. Okay. Then what we need? We need the addition of this. So we will add 1 and 2. So when you add 1 and 2, what you will get? PM square plus RN square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Okay, this you will get. So now what we are going to do, see, this is PQ, and what we need? This QN. So I will replace this PQ as 2 into QN. So from here what we will get? We will get PQ equal to 2 QN, and from here we will get QR equal to 2 QM. So we will replace it here. PQ equal to 2 QN square and QR is equal to 2 QM square. Okay. So finally it becomes, what it becomes? PM square plus RN square equal to 4 QN square plus QM square plus 4 PM square plus QN square, 4 QN square, QM square, okay. This becomes 4 QN square, QM square, then QN square, and becomes 4 QM square. So it will give you 4 plus 1, 5 QN square plus 5 QM square. Okay, then we will take 5 as common. So it is qn square plus qm square. Okay. So let it be our third equation. Now what we need to have mn. So if you see in triangle QMN, mn square is equals to qn square plus qm square. This is fourth. So what we will do, we will replace the value of this qn square plus qm square. So from 3 and 4, pm square plus qn square is equals to 5 mn square. Okay, so this is our proof. So what property we have used? M was the midpoint, so QR becomes twice of Qn. N is the midpoint, so PQ becomes twice of Qn. Then we have taken these two triangles which contains PM and Rn as the hypotenuse. Then what we need the addition, so I have added. Then I have substituted PQ and QR by their respective values. Then you will get this result. Then finally this small triangle MNQ, I again write the Pythagoras theorem, and when I replace this value with mn square, I got the desired result. Okay, then for the second part, what we are going to do, so in the second part, what we need to prove, four pm square is equals to 4 pq square plus qr square. This we need to prove. So what we are going to do, in this, see, this is pm square, so this is one expression is there, then pq is there. Only thing is qm, in place of qm we will replace qr, so I will take only this expression in triangle pmq, pm square equal to pq square plus qm square. Now pm square is equals to pq square plus, so if you see carefully what I have written, qm is equals to qr by 2, so here I will replace qr by 2 whole square, so it becomes qr square upon 4. Then we will take the LCM, 4 pq square plus qr square is pm square. Then you will do the cross multiplication, so finally you will get 4 pm square is equals to 4 pq square plus qr square. Okay, so this is our second proof. Again, given things we are using. Then in the third part, what we need to prove, 4 Rn square is equals to pq square plus 4 qr square. So again, what we are going to do, we will take this triangle that we have taken in the first part, in triangle R and Q. Rn square is equals to qr square plus qn square. Okay. see, Rn is there, we need Rn. Qr we need, Qr is there. What we need? PQ. So I will replace Qn by PQ by this. So Qn was equals to PQ by 2. So this becomes Rn square equal to Qr square plus PQ by 2 whole square. Okay. Then similarly, like we have done in the previous part, we will take the LCM. So 4 will be the LCM, 4QR square plus PQ square. So from here we will get 4 Rn square equal to 4 QR square plus PQ square. Okay, so this is the third part. Then in the last part, that is the fourth part, 4 pm square plus Rn square equal to 5 pr square that we have to prove. So see, this is one part we have proved. So what we are going to do, we are going to add these two. So if you add, what you will get? 4 pm square plus 4 Rn square equal to 4 pq square plus qr square plus 4 qr square plus pq square. Okay, so I have added the result of these two parts. So 4 I will take common, pm square plus Rn square, and here 4 pq square will give you 5 pq square and 5 qr square, pq square plus qr square. And actually, if we take this big triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, what we know? PR square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. So this result we will use it here. So this result we will use it here and substitute the value. So we will get 4 pm square plus Rn square is equals to 5 p r square. Okay. So I have substituted this value pq square plus qr square as pr square in this equation. So after putting the value, it will give you the desired proof. So this is all about this question.